Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionstraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a continuous fall. Okay, and this fall is from second week of March. Okay, and if you look at the chart closely, what we have seen that there is continuous downfall. We can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding gold, mail us at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID I've given in the description. You can join our Telegram channel also, link I've given in the description, and please watch the full video. I'm making short video in order you can see it full, okay, without much of putting your time. Okay, so see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, because as we know that it has already made, means from October you can say 2021 we have not seen this particular level has come. Okay, and it has already gone below that level. Okay, so suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 1724. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this particular level, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 1718. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1692. Okay, and once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1681, and 1681 is already a weak support. So keep this in mind that a probability is very high. We can see it can move further low and can go further down towards a level of 1670. Keep this in mind. There is a high probability that if the price didn't sustain this particular level of 722, 724, we can see it can move further down. Okay, but suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $742. Okay, once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1751. Okay, and if that price goes above that level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $1764, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1770. Okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1783, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1789. Okay, and once the price goes above a level of 1789, then we can see it can touch a level of 1814, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1828. Okay, suppose the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1832, and from there we can see a level of $1847. Okay, and once the price stays above this level, then we can see further upside movement for the price of gold. Okay, so again I have to tell you something which is very important, that it has already broke this particular range, so probability of moving further down is very high. So keep this in mind. If the price didn't sustain a level of 1722 or 24, we can see it can move further down, and a probability of touching further down towards a level of 1715 and to a level of 1680 is very high, 1686. Okay, again I have already told you it will not move directly like this. It will halt for some time and then it will come down. In the same way, it has to move upside. It will not directly like this. It will halt for some time and then move upside. Okay, I have to tell you something what I teach in my workshop. Suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. So if you take 5 trades also, and risk 0.5 to 1%. Okay, so that means per trade you can trade with 10,000 to 1,500 if your capital is this. Risk 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. So if you took 5 trades also, your risk is $500, you know. So if you lose all 5 trades, you know, you can lose maximum of 500. Okay, so you can trade the next day in a good mood, or psychology plays an important role, and you can focus more on profit. If you lose 500 suppose for the day, and then you can relax for the day. Okay, and then next day you can focus more on profit rather than recovering this particular amount. What people do is they lose so much amount, so like suppose 5,000, 3,000, they try to recover the next day. Okay, which in turn lose their full capital. This is what they do. Okay, so now what I teach, that if you how to overcome all these barriers, when to enter, when to exit, all these things I teach in my workshop. So if you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,